Hello fellow nerds and crafters. Today I'm working on this tray mold using a technique I've never tried before. I'm also working on an order for my niece. She's training to become a paramedic and asked me to make her some keychains for her and a few friends. So starting with the tray, I'm going to just pour a thin layer of clear and then put that to the side to let the bubbles rise. While I wait for that, I'm actually going to top up a few skulls I didn't have enough resin for. I'll have pictures or videos at the end. Onto my niece's keychains. I'll be taking this Just Resin color in Hydrangea, which is the color she picked, and this Mayspring glitter in Dazzling Diamond. I'm going to pour it half and half in the mold, then mix it together a little in the middle. After the tray sat for a while to get the bubbles up, I'm going to take this Ziploc bag and try to make creases in the resin. I think if I do this again, I'd use a thinner baggie because this didn't want to hold in place, so I put a few silicone cups on it. Once that was cured, I took this deep green mica by Renfio called Pine Green and mixed it into a new pot of resin. I pour that on top of the clear layer that's cured and put it back in the pressure pot. It turned out pretty good. I think I'd use a thinner plastic bag next time so I can get more creases in it and so it hopefully wouldn't drag up the sides of the mold as much. Next is my niece's keychain. That came out really great and she was very happy with them. I made 2 other ones just the same. So here's the demold of the skulls that I topped up during this video as well. This blue one had opaque blue in the top, and then I finished it off with clear and sparkly resin for the rest. The big skull was full of 3 sets of gold and black dice that I had made. I was making a custom order and was testing methods for these dice, and all 3 sets came up almost identical, so I decided instead of trying to sell 3 almost identical dice sets that I would stick them all in a skull together, and I think it came out really cool. Here's some finished pictures of the main pores of the video, the tray and the keychain. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in anything I've made in my videos, feel free to take a look at my Etsy shop. It's in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.